G'day guys, Ninja here with Das. We're going to treat the top of his foot, and specifically we're going to treat in this section here. So sometimes you have people with pain in between their toes, in between the bones of their toes here. So we're going to trace from here through there and just show you how we treat that. But we're going
You can sort of see as I extend my toes up there, Ninja, where the channels are.
Yep.
Can't you? Like where you're actually going to be focusing
tendons,
on.
and then there's bones deeper than that as well. So we want to be getting in between the bones.
Yep.
So we're just going to do a little warm-up stroke for him first.
Yep.
And we're going to have a little chat as well. We haven't been on YouTube for a little bit, so reason being we were on bloody holidays, all of us together.
On holidays, mate.
Yeah.
Taking a bit of time for ourselves.
Yeah, so we haven't missed any weeks of YouTube in years and years. So like 5 years, I reckon, since we've missed a week. So been consistent.
Being accountable.
Yeah.
And look at the tan. Ninja's looking nice
Bit
and
of a
tan.
tan. See that, Jace?
Yep.
Got Jace on the camera today. Head
Tan.
peeling, is it?
No, it's good.
It's all right.
Beautiful. That feels really good.
So yeah, where did we go, guys? The four of us, Aaron as well. He was tagging along.
Yeah, we let that bloke come. Yeah, we thought we better bring him. Nah, it was awesome. The four of us went over to Bali we spent 5 days together in Uluwatu, probably more of the surf coast of Bali. Not that we're surfers, Cowabunga dude. Nah, it's just a really nice space for us to, I don't know, there's just like a really good energy there. People really invest in their health, their fitness, they're vibrant, they're tanned, they're getting to the gym, they're getting enough sunlight. Well, from an outsider's perspective looking in, it sort of just looks like everybody's fit, strong, looking young, looking vibrant, looking happy, like they just got full of energy. So that was something we just were drawn to as a group and an individual. I think we just sort of were like, wow, this is gold here. Like look how invested everybody is into their health. And then you come back to a place like Melbourne and you go to a cafe. We're at a cafe and there's people walking around just looking really healthy, looking well nourished and they just got a smile on their face. Everybody's sort of happy, and you come back to Melbourne, and not to say people are unhappy, but just the energy is completely different in terms of you go to a cafe, you go out for dinner, people are probably a little bit more maybe closed off or stressed or maybe worried about other things that's going on, their work, their job, their money, their finances, which is completely normal. But we just enjoyed being around like-minded people and it was cool, wasn't it?
It's kind of cool to see just on a surface level, just physical, the vitality is really different. Like people's skin is glowing more because they're in the sun, but they're more toned as well. So they're moving their body, eating good fresh food, hanging around with their friends and stuff like that. It's a completely different vibe, isn't it? So it's sort of what I like about that part of Bali too. It's sort of like it's emerging. So it's like it reminded me of old school Bali, like 15 years ago. So you can kind of, even Jason and myself could get around on scooters. We're not as proficient as Das. He's very.
I was keeping up with him.
Yeah, in the end, Jason's good.
Took us a bit of time, didn't it? But we got there, got our landmarks, everything going. So it was nice to be there before it fucking gets too busy. I think it will get out of control pretty soon. I know they're really building it up, aren't they?
So much development, a lot of money. For such a poor third world country, there's just incredible facilities and developments that are happening there, that are already there, and they're just building on it. Which is cool to see because we enjoy going to nice places and that's good. But what did you take away from it upon reflection, Ninj? What did you enjoy the most about it, or some of the things that you?
I think number one thing for us was just our spending time together. So it wasn't actually the destination type of thing; it was the journey, and it's just sort of that in the meantime, just sort of eating, playing racquetball, or was it paddleball, and
going to the gym and
just all the little things in between, wasn't it? So that was the best bit. So
experiences.
experienced it together.
Yeah.
So
You just night out.
Yeah, we all had our moments where we were probably feeling a little bit tired or fatigued or under the weather or hungover or
a couple of blokes got sick.
What were you calling it, Hinge? Whatever I got? Oh, don't tell me you blank on it.
What are you talking about?
Steven.
Stephen. Stephen Hick. He's, I think he's like CEO of Carlton or something like that at the moment. Carlton Football Club here in Australia.
Yeah.
No one will know who that is. Played with North Melbourne back in the day. But rhyming slang for sick. So Jace was even sick the first day.
Didn't even have a chance.
No, didn't even have a chance to get barley belly, did you? You just fucking
smelt the air and got it.
Sipped the banana.
Who'd we call it? Weekend at Bernie's, we were calling him. Had the mustache and the sunglasses on. We thought he was dead. We just pulling him around, taking him around all the different places on the beach and stuff, getting photos with him.
Oh.
That's who he's dressing up with as this year at the Christmas party, Weekend at Bernie's. So he's locked that in.
Does that mean you guys will have to be the other people that walk him around?
Yeah, we'll do
Could
that.
be.
Matching get up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good, man.
We'll have to get our characters in order. So yeah, just working right along that inside of that second toe. That seems where there was some good stuff. I worked along that big toe line, inside that.
You with that one.
Like that. He's coming right through. So yeah, I suppose the reason I'm doing this video, because a lot of times people would have experienced some foot pain and not know where to go.
Yeah.
So with good body work, you can really work into all these different spots that might be calcified or stuck. So yeah, like this does a dual thing because it's sort of melting these fascial adhesions, but also mobilising bones and tendons, ligaments.
Yeah.
So we want to get them going. Probably our number one tip at our clinic is to get your shoes off so you can expose your feet to the different forces that they should be exposed to, but also let your foot spread and learn how to kind of absorb forces. So one of the main problems is when we land, we kind of don't absorb the force with using our own shock absorption systems. So we've got shoes, so we kind of rely on the shoes and then can have poor biomechanics because of that. Because if we had bare feet, we wouldn't be smashing our heels into the ground and different things like that. We would be landing a lot more gently and absorbing the forces like that, like that.
Not
type
so
of
much
thing.
jarring.
Yeah.
And even just the toe spread, just opens up those channels already. Like when our shoes are closing us off, it can be, it's tender in there too.
Yeah. So a lot of times our shoes are really restricting us like that.
Yeah.
So that even socks can do that to you.
Yeah.
So we don't realise that socks can be compressing our feet, but they definitely can. And if you go, like I've been nearly 15 years without wearing socks, rarely wear socks. It feels like such a luxury when you wear them, but when you do put socks on, if you haven't put them on for ages, you will feel like a compression kind of effect that they're having. So it doesn't let your feet express themselves and spread like they would.
Yep. And a broader surface level is going to give you more stability as well, isn't it? If you think of something that's like this impacting the ground compared to something like that, how much more control, how much more stable you're going to feel as well. So it's a really important feature of being barefoot, getting those toes to spread. And this is essentially what Ninja's doing. Is the reason a lot of people have this foot pain or whatnot can be just the how compact your shoes are and how hard the soles can be. And then we reverse that and go, well, jump in these brand new Asics or New Balance or Nike shoes and let's go ultra gel, ultra cushion, ultra comfort. And essentially we're getting softer with our feet and not considerate of our heel stride, and it can make things worse.
When you kind of do the Google search for the runners these days, they're like big boats. They've kind of got this next to it, like they've got the normal shoe and then they've got this big layer and they're kind of coming back out the back, and there's just so much more shoe, more sponge there, isn't there?
Yeah.
So it's sort of getting us even further away from our natural
State,
biomechanics.
Biomechanics, natural.
Natural state. We're not earthy.
Yeah.
So we're not connected to the ground, but we're but just sort of so disconnected from our body, and like our feet are, our big toe's got so many nerve endings in it. It kind of tells us where we are in space. So if you're kind of cushioning that, you're kind of not giving your body the information it needs to be where you are in space, how you're balanced and things. So
Proprioception. So yeah, that's a really good point. If you're struggling with balance, coordination, get barefoot. It'll give you the senses that you're lacking. If you're feeling a bit wobbly during a single leg stance, if you're feeling a little bit out of whack with a squat and you're leaning to one side, it'll sort of help you feel more balanced and symmetry. Getting barefoot and getting that connection. Oh yeah, so he's working in between each toe now. He's gone from the big toe and the second toe, on top of the second toe, now in between the second and third. You can really feel the nerve endings there and opening up that space.
Good as the bird at the same time.
yeah,
Oh, you'd be surprised how many clients come in with top of the foot pain as well. And our style of treatment is so effective at it because not a lot of practitioners go to this. They don't get in and use the fingers and the tools to actually start creating blood flow and circulation through there. And essentially breaking down some of those adhesions. And as Ninja said, mobilizing the joint, getting things to articulate and move over each other, waking up some of the little muscles, the intrinsic muscles that are in there that are maybe dormant and haven't been used in quite some time because of the shoes or training in bare feet. So yeah, half an hour a day is a really good goal to set as a minimum. Getting the shoes off, go and walking on the grass, the sand, the dirt, the bark, the whatever it is that you can find that's got a connection to the earth. If it needs to be in the gym, sure, train in the gym, like barefoot, give it a go. That's what we've been doing, and that's what we preach and pass on to all of our trainers that come in and do our lift clubs and our sprint clubs. Very good.
just feel it.
Yeah, just feels
picture.
nice and free, man.
Kind of blood into that area.
Yeah.
The other side.
Yeah.
Maybe bring the feet a bit closer.
A bit more
See
warm.
that's opened up.
Yeah.
No big tat on it either.
Nah.
Well
I've
done,
got-
Ninja. You've taken the tat off.
Rub that one off.
Yeah, no, it feels really good. Thanks for the chat. We'll chat more about it next time. But yeah, if you've got a really good close friendship group and you want to head overseas or do something, head to Uluwatu. We fucking loved it.
Yeah, it was good.
It was great. Thanks, guys. We'll speak to you soon.
You're done.